This is how to add leader stats to your Roblox game. First, you want to add a script, and in that script we're going to have a function connected to when a player joins, which we can do with the game.playersPlayer added. And in the parentheses of the function, we're going to be getting the player, and we have to make a leader stats folder, leader stats equal to instance.new, which will create anything like a folder, and the folder's name has to be leader stats like that for it to work. And now we can create a variable like a coin, and that's going to be equal to instance.new again, but instead of a folder we're going to do an integer value. And then the coin.name is going to be equal to whatever you want. Then coin.parent is going to be set to the leader stats, and all we have to do is set the leader stats to the player. Oh, we have to do leader stats dot parent. That's why it wasn't working. And now you have leader stats. If you want to know how to make a moving platform, then click on the video on the screen right now.